Hello, welcome. We're going to look at some problems on Khan Academy under Algebra 1. So you should be logged in. Your username should be in the top right. You can use this courses drop-down menu on the top left to navigate to Algebra 1. Once you're in Algebra 1, we're going to just start right at the top here. First unit is Algebra Foundations. So we'll click on Algebra Foundations. That brings us into the unit. And now we will do the first problem set that we find, which is right here, evaluating expressions with one variable. Click in that and that'll give us some problems. There's 7 questions on this set. Let's go. All right, evaluate a plus 4 when a equals 7. Okay, a plus 4 is our expression, and if we click this symbol in the bottom left corner, we can write on the board. So they say a is 7, so I can replace a with 7. That's called substitution. I am substituting 7 for a, so I'll write 7 plus 4. And evaluate is just a fancy word that means solve or simplify. So 7 plus 4 is 11. And we'll put that answer where they expect it. Make sure what you meant to type is what you actually typed, because the computer believes exactly what you tell it. So you want to tell it what you mean and then check your answer. Confetti, good for us. Off we go. Next question, evaluate p divided by 2 minus 5 when p equals 14. Okay, so when p is 14, I can substitute 14 for p. So I'll write 14 divided by 2 because p is 14, and then minus 5. And I'm going to evaluate or simplify that expression. So in order to subtract, I need to have a common denominator with these fractions. So 14 minus 10 halves. 5 wholes is equal to 10 halves, and now I can do 14 minus 10 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So I'll enter 2. Next question. Evaluate 8 plus 3e when e equals 2. So 3e is 3 times e. So 8 plus 3 times 2, because e is 2 in this case. And so we get, order of operations says we have to multiply before we can add. So 3 times 2 is 6. 8 plus 6 is 14, and that is what we will enter. All right, evaluate 8 plus w fourths when w is 16. So 16 fourths is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Evaluate 6h when h is 8. So 6h is 6 times h. h is 8, so 6 times 8 is 48. Evaluate 6 plus x when x is 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Evaluate 3 times z when z is 9. 3 times 9 is 27. And we're done.